Why you trolling like a ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor. They not like us. 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 They not like us.
I can't take it back. Look where I'm at. We was OD like DOC. Remember that? My DOC was quite OD. ID my facts. Now POV of you and me similar Iraq. I don't hate you, but I hate to critique, overrate you. These beats of a dark heart use bass lines to replace you. Take time and erase you. Love don't hear no more. No, I don't fear no more. But they get respect and Christ is still no more.
Oh, it's so sad to think about the good times you and I. 'Cause baby, now we got bad blood. You know it used to be mad love. So take a look what you've done. 'Cause baby, now we got bad blood. Now we got problems, and I don't think we can solve them. You made a really deep cuts, and baby, now we got bad blood.
It's appetizing as it needed to be for a swing. Payoff pitch, blasted, deep out to right field. Tanner Thomas has tied this game. 2-run shot for not in that grade. And a lot of Party Animals fans have gotten up on their feet with a massive round of applause for Tanner Thomas. Danny Hosley has been his Achilles heel throughout his bananaball career, and it's once again Tanner besting him as Drake Toll as our hero.
Tanner Thomas, you just tied this ball game. Yes, and let's win it now. Did you just bring the Party Animals back? It'll eventually be a victory. You know it. Let's go. Josh, Biko, it's all knotted up. Party on.
Thank you, Drake. Another look at the efficient swing from Tanner Thomas. Seen it oh so often across his illustrious, now 4-year bananaball career, all of them with the Animals. Are not able to claim this second inning as well. They have to remember they're only down 2 points early. Andy Cosgrove to the land of good and plenty. 3-run shot for Andy. It's back-to-back 5-run innings for the Animals. And it comes courtesy of number 5's first career banana ball bomb. The former Twins minor leaguer and Australian Love Island star can swing the lumber. The flight of passage for Cosgrove. The boys boogieing at home plate.
It's a long way to go in the tush push.
To their trademark play. Hurts. Powers.
Straight ahead, surging forward. Touchdown.
I want you to take over control. Take over control. Take over control. I want you to
say I should have my age. What's my age again? Nobody pray for me. It been that day for me. Yeah. My left stroke just went viral. Right stroke put a baby in a spiral. Soprano C, we like to keep it on the high note. There's levels to it, you and I know. Tell her be humble. Sit down. 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 Be humble.
On the 16th hole, Jake's hole.
Look at this.
Carlos Ortiz. This will take much longer than what it did in round 3. 178 yards today. Rolling in there like a puck. Holy speed. Looks like he got it.
Feel the vibration. Vibrations good like sun kiss. Maybe wanna know who done this. Mark,